hope you guys are doing well. So today I'm going to make video about how you can transfer your data from one phone to another one. Like I'm going to transfer everything from iPhone XS to an iPhone 11 Pro, which is like 256 gigabyte. So first thing we need to make sure about the phone we are going to transfer in, we need to see if the software is totally updated to the latest iOS, which is right here. So as it says that it's saying that iOS 15.5 iOS is up to date. So the next thing what we need to do is we need to go into the settings, go to general, and then we need to go all the way down, transfer and reset iPhone, and now erase all content and settings. So once you hit that, you need to continue, enter your passcode and hit erase. So once you hit erase, it's going to erase your phone to like a factory unlock phone, factory reset phone. So we actually did factory reset this phone. So once we're done with the factory reset, I'm gonna wait until the reset completes, and I'm gonna make it closer to the phone which has all the information and all the data we are going to transfer into the new phone. So I'm just waiting for this phone to turn on, and I will show you what I'm waiting for. And waiting for the pop-up on this phone. So as you are gonna see, once this phone will boot up after the factory reset, it's gonna show us something over here. So just hold on a second. There's this white line going on. As gonna get done, gonna complete, so it's gonna show you that. So it will transfer everything, each and everything from this iPhone XS to this 11 Pro. You might be wondering why I'm transferring data on 11 Pro, why not 13 Pro Max or 13 Pro. I literally don't like those sizes, and that's why I prefer using iPhone XS as 5.8 screen size. 11 Pro has the same one, so that's the only reason I want it. I tried using a 12 Pro and 13 Pro, and I didn't like the size, so that's only. They're good phones though, but it also depends on you how you are comfortable using the phone, right? Alright, so the phone is on. As I'm going to start setup and start setting it up, you can see the pop-up over here. Set up a new phone, use your Apple ID and all this. I'm gonna hit continue over here, and it's gonna show me the code to scan on this phone. So let's do it. So I scanned that code on the phone. It's asking for the SIM lock. I have a pin lock on my SIM card, so I'm gonna enter the phone code. Oh, it denied because this one had a different passcode. So here you go. Now it's gonna setting up my iPhone. It's gonna transfer everything from here to this one. It might will ask you to enter your Apple ID password. You can do it now, you can do it later. It's totally your choice. You can skip it for now. So let's just wait. Apple iOS 16 or iOS 16 is out now. We are going to make video about the great features. The best feature they launched is, which I don't think so best, it can make trouble in people's life though, but you can unsend your messages, your regular text messages. It's asking for Face ID. I'm gonna do it later. So there is a wait loading going on right on the corner, so let's just wait. Alright, so transfer from an iPhone, click over here, setting up your Apple ID. It's going to ask for the Apple ID password over here, which I might will skip it for now, and then we are going to proceed further. Agree. Continue. Continue. Okay. And just for quick suggestions, I don't want to set up my cards over here. When you're going to try, I'll do that later. For the suggestion is that we'll do that later. Later. Make sure when you're transferring your data from one phone to another one, either that should be of the same storage as your old phone, or that should be higher, not lower. If your new phone is with the lower storage than the one you're using, then it's never gonna transfer your data like this. So we're gonna wait until it's gonna prepare to transfer and gonna done the transfer. Once the transfer will be completed, we will be all set. Meanwhile, go ahead and hit the subscribe button that's right down below, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. So as you can see, transfers is already started. Alright, so as you can see, that transfer has been completed. Now it's gonna reboot one time, and it's gonna turn on, and we can open this phone. It says that erase this phone, iPhone. Now I'm not gonna do it right now because I want to make sure everything has been transferred or to my new phone. So it just transferred around like 61 GB of data, so that's why I don't want to erase it right now. So I just want to make sure that all of my account applications are on my new phone. Alright, so just wait until this fully boots up, and here you go. So this one is, oh, now you can see that everything is transferred. Continue. I don't want to set a Face ID right now, we'll do it later. I will do my cards later in my wallet. That's fine. So as you can see, all of my applications have been transferred to the new phone, same as else. Even it also copied my wallpaper from iPhone XS, and all of the information is now on my this one. It's gonna take some time to load up all the applications and everything. So that's all you need to do to transfer your data from one phone to another one. And as you can see, it's kind of like a clone my old iPhone to the new one. All right, so that's it for the day, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Have a good one. Bye bye.